Hello, babe. Di ko alam kung paano ko sisimulan na batiin ka ng happy wedding anniversary. Pangilang years na ba tayo? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So, happy 7 years anniversary natin dalawa. Yun na nga. So, wedding anniversary natin dalawa. So, hindi ko alam kung paano ko sisimulan o paano ko tawag dito, paano ko i-share sa'yo yung feelings ko na masaya ako dahil tumagal tayo ng 7 taon na magkasama, nakasal. So ayun, sa maraming pagkakataon na dumating sa atin na pagsubok, nalagpasan natin lahat yon. So, maraming salamat sa iyo kasi nag-stay ka sa buhay ko, pinalagan mo ako, pinahal mo ako, inalagaan mo ako, at pinahal mo yung pamilya ko. Maraming salamat sa iyo, babe. At syempre dahil pamilya na tayo, mahal na mahal kita, kayong dalawa ni Riley. Happy anniversary sa ating dalawa. Sana ay huwag tayo magsawa, huwag mahalan, at naway lumago pa ang binubuo nating pamilya. At sana makamit natin yung mga uh, pangarap pa natin na hindi pa tayo nagtatapos dito. Antayin pa natin lumaki si Riley na magkasama tayong dalawa, kaya dapat walang bibitaw. Kahit may mga taong mawala na sa atin, tayong dalawa, tayong tatlo ni Riley, solid pa rin tayo dapat. Hindi tayo dapat maghihiwalay. Kaya nga, at sisimulan ko dito sa pagbati ko sa iyo ng happy wedding anniversary. I love you, babe, always. You always in my heart. Heart.
Been away a little while, and it don't make sense to me. Haven't seen you in a little while, and I get a bit lonely. But do you ever wonder where I went? Do you ever leave the lights on at 7:30 when I would go to bed? Do you ever wonder where I've been for so long? Mom and Dad, did you ever search for me? I swear when they think I must leave, I hear you on their TV screens. Keep calling up my name, 'cause it helps me see your face. If I could let you know, I'd let you know I'm okay. I've been gone a little while, and I miss you dearly. Blue skies, cold nights I saw outside, and I recognize the trees. But do you ever wonder where I went? Do you ever leave the lights on at 7:30 when I would go to bed? Do you ever wonder where I've been for so long? Mom and Dad, did you ever search for me? I swear when they think I'm
Eto na to. Ito na to. Ito na yung araw na hinihingi mo at hinihintay mo. Alam ko namang mahal mo ako at mahal din kita. Kaya tayo pinagtagpo.
I've been saving up every part of my love, and I give it all. You are more than
Sa hirap at ginawa,
enough.
ikaw at ako, samahan kita, samahan mo rin ako. Kahit anong pagsubok na dadating sa ating dalawa, hindi ako magbabago at hindi kita iiwan dahil mahal na mahal kita.
Time turns to gold when I've got your hand to hold. That's why I keep it still. The photographs will make it last for you. I will.
Happy birthday! Thank you for
Everywhere
everything.
you go,
Thank you dahil
everywhere you
nandiyan ka.
are, I'm going
Malati ng sarili ko ay nasa
be the
iyo.
one who runs into
Thank
your
you for
arms.
guide me to support everything.
With every breath I'm breathing, this promise I will keep and hold on, hold on. You are my favorite reason, steady through every season. Hold on, you are my lifelong. Ooh, ooh.
Mga kapatid, ito yung dahilan kung bakit minsan at malimit nangyayari ang mag-asawa kahit bagong kasal, naghihiwalay na. Dahil hindi nila nakikita yung tunay na pagmamahal sa isa't isa. Nawawalan na sila ng interes.
Our heartbeats. With every breath I'm breathing, this promise I will keep and hold on.
Bukalbas sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Ranulfo na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Papa Padre,
You are
Ranulfo,
my life.
sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Lady Lynn na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan? Opo, Padre.
Everywhere you go, everywhere you are, I'll be the one that's in your arms. With every breath I'm breathing, this promise I will keep and hold on, hold on. You are my favorite reason, steady through every season. Hold on. With every breath I'm breathing, this
Kapag
promise
wala ng
I will
sakripisyo,
keep and
ay malamang, baka kayo maghiwalay na rin talaga. Kapag wala yung focus nyo sa isa't
You
isa,
are my favorite
isipin ang hirap mag-asawa, wala namang madali. Kaya yung sacrifice na dapat nandun ninyo, na kaya nyong gawin lahat para sa minamahal ninyo. It's all about sacrifice. At panghuli, it's all about God.
You are my life.
Happy wedding anniversary, babe. I love you. Mama, chup chup.